ready for
the game plan?
Alright, first we're going to go hit up Boonshoft Museum of Disco.
Today, Junior? Okay, first we're going to go to Charlestown Fall Preserve. They're not, no, there's number 1, number 2, number 3.
Alright, yeah, so there looks like there's a pretty cool hike over in Dayton, Ohio, and they have waterfalls and different stuff, and it has been raining like crazy, so I'm hoping the waterfalls are flowing. Then we're going to head over to the Boonshoft Museum of Discovery in Dayton, and that's under our AST membership, which if you don't know anything about ASTC, you definitely want to look it up. So we'll try and provide more information about it, but it allows you to get into museums across America that participate in this museum program, and you can get into them most
turn
of the
right
time
toward
for
Main
free.
Road, then turn left onto Main Road.
You just have a
Head
home
south,
membership
then turn
to a museum, and then you
take
can
the
get
next left onto
into
Main Road.
museums across America. But we'll try and do a separate video that's specifically on ASTC. And then we're going to hit up, hopefully, the National Museum of Air Force. And then possibly we might unlock a Chuck E. Cheese. That is because we lived in Texas and summers were horrible and we needed something inside to do because you couldn't walk outside without melting.
But with the heat wave, Chuck E. Cheese is coming in handy quite a bit.
Yeah.
So,
yeah, this summer, just across America, I'm sure all of you are suffering just as much as we are. And then lastly, we might hit up some barbecue later.
here's the trailhead. So the park closes at sunset. At least 30 minutes before sunset, so that's what the sign says. So you don't get stuck out here in the dark. Because there are bears out here. Big ones. See if Sadie's listening to me or not. So one of our obsessions is keeping 10,000 steps a day. And so each of the kids received a new Garmin Forerunner 55. I'll show you those.
Aha.
Bam.
They have walking mode.
And they are tracking their steps and their GPS distance. So
Hey, Sadie, how many
everyone.
steps do you have?
Oh,
Whoa, there's so many.
we need to order her
A pedometer.
a much cheaper pedometer. Tried to buy her one, but the active one did not have a pedometer. It just had a little picture of someone dancing. So we returned that one. We're going to try to order her one so she can track her steps, because it makes her very excited and motivates her to walk. I hear water, Sadie. What do you think it is?
A walking splash.
What?
I think it's a walking splash.
You think it's a walking splash? Bears. Yeah, I thought we would have to hike a little further. Maybe we went the wrong way.
This is Lily reporting live from the waterfall. There's a 100% chance of precipitation and slight mist.
So the trail is slightly, not really muddy, but just, it's rained recently. But even then, it's not bad at all.
Raising them to be adventurous.
Hey Google. Lumos.
Lumos Maxima.
Not any bears yet.
Oh, that's cool. So bears in hibernation. For the most part, we trust our kids because they've been hiking since they were 4 years old on some pretty endeavorous hikes in Colorado in different areas, so they have been through a lot of training to not just jump off the sides.
Jumping over the falls!
No, guys!
That was fun.
The falls overlook. More tiny doors? Yes. King's hot dancing? What have you been eating? Oh no. Oh my. Climb, climb, climb. Ooh, climb.
Whoa.
I'm trying to put it together.
That's so cool. Look. And when you grab it, it's like.
Welcome to the zoo. Marlin? Hey guy. He's doing the moonwalk. He's saying hi. Hi to Sadie.
It's like he's used to being petted. 6 hours later, he moves.
Hey man. They drive fast too.
I don't know what you were trying to joke about.
You were going 115 miles per hour. I hope you have a good explanation.
Look at that, how it's holding his hand.
Hey little baby. I think he skipped out on Fat Camp this year.
Chubby bunny country.
Follow your nose to football club!
He's trying to get more cozy.
He's like, oh yeah. It's time.
He's 22 years old.
Hey Apollo.
Under human care, they usually 20 years, but Apollo's doing really good. He's like, he likes eating crickets, like in the wild.
We're here.
Okay, first impression, this place is massive.
Let's say you're sitting down to use the body, okay? What do you think's going to happen if your feet go flying up in the air? What else do you think's probably going to go flying up in the air?
Oh, dude, that is nasty.
Yeah, what you're sitting there trying to get rid of, right? Yeah. So you have to strap in your feet, you have to hold on to those handles right there, and turn on a vacuum that sucks everything down. Because otherwise, everything would just be kind of sticking right there to your backside because everything floats. It doesn't go down.
It's like crumbs in space, remember?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
like
you would
those.
not.
We Taco Bell eating
Not many Taco Bells on there.
Yeah, that'd be a disaster up there. It'd be like. Ah!
They are prepping for their flight simulator here at the Air Force Museum. How's flight training going? You guys ready?
Ready for battle. Shooting is much easier than flying, so I should probably be okay.
Okay.
It's still a little hard to aim, but
You better take them down.
you'll see us destroying.
Gonna destroy them.
Yeah.
Fighter pilot time. They're locked in.
See if we can scare this guy out of here. Lock up, baby. Lock up, baby. Lock up. I got him locked. Bingo.
Was it fun?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
I was just doing barrel rolls.
We are at
Chuck E. Cheese.
New Chucky.
I'm a homeschooler. Of course I still like Chuck E. Cheese.
Go, Sadie, go! Go, Sadie, faster! Yeah, pick it up! Pick it up! Go, 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 go! Pick it up! You're running behind! Go, Sadie! It's getting intense. She's coming from behind. She's trying to pick up the lead. She's trying to go, 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 go! Sadie's gotta go! Sadie's gotta go! Oh no, coming around the corner. Sadie, you gotta pick up some lost time. Go, 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 go. Come on, Sadie. Your sister's not giving you any slack at all. Go, Sadie. Go, 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 go. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Yay! I think you legitimately beat her. Mom's having fun.
How is it? How is it, cheesy bread?
Ooh. Are you going to town on that cheesy bread? Calm down. Is that all for you?
How many pieces are for Sadie?
Hey,
Jace, what was your favorite thing so far today in Dayton?
It's pretty obvious. The flight museum.
Yeah?
Because of the flight simulator.
Okay, how was the flight simulator?
It was it was super cool, and Lily was the gunner and I was the pilot, and when she was shooting I was doing barrel rolls and the whole thing could spin like that, and then we were just sitting there upside down flying.
Oh, cool.
How many people did you shoot down?
I'd rather not.
My favorite thing is right now because we're about to go get a pile of meat at Arby's. Or not Arby's. Dickie's.
Barbecue pit.
Yeah.
Well, that's a feast. 2 pounds of sausage, pound of turkey, and a kid's little meal over here. What do y'all think? You ready to eat? Yeah. Alright, Mom's over there praying. Y'all can, or praying. You wanna pray for the food? Yeah. Okay, go for it.
Dear Lord, please bless this food and thank you for everything that you've done for us today, Lord. And bless this food and have a good night. Amen. Absolutely devoured that.
Thank you for joining us today. We had a blast going to Dayton, Ohio and adventuring around. So our game plan was successful. We accomplished everything on the list and we are back. It is 8:56, so it was a long day. We woke up at 6:30 and it's an hour and a half drive each way. So we had a long day, but we accomplished everything we intended to and we got all our steps in. So you guys have a good night and we'll check you on the next adventure. Thanks. Steps accomplished.